Milo wants shiny thing. Milo is broke. Bank gives magic plastic. Buy now, pay later, swipe. Phone is yours. Bank says give money back in 30 days. 2 doors. Green, pay on time, everyone happy? Red, forget to pay. Something wakes up. Meet Mr. Interest, he's hungry. Owe $100? Now $110? Next month, $120. It's a snowball. Starts small, gets massive. Most payments feed the monster, not your real debt. Before card, bank checks if you keep promises. Good score? Welcome. Use card right? Free stuff, cash back, flights, discounts, but fees everywhere. Late fee, year fee, use it fee. Smart monkey rules. Number 1, check APR. Lower is better. Number 2, pick rewards you use. And 3, only buy what you can pay this month. 4, use only 30%. 5, set alarm. Pay full amount. Every month. Same card, age, 40 empoparies. Smart monkey rich. Careless monkey trapped forever. It's not evil. It's powerful. 2 endings. You choose.